Good afternoon, my dear children. Welcome to our online class. So, my dear children, this is our moral online class. Okay, how are you all doing? Hope you all are fine. Yes? Yes, okay, my dear children. Do you watch our last class video? Yes? Okay, what's the lesson we learned in our last class? Tell me the title. Yes, his best sixer. Okay, my dear children, do you like that story? Did you understand that? Can anyone tell me that story? Yes, we learned about Sunil Gavaskar, right? Yes. Okay, what's the moral value you learned from that lesson? Yes, kindness and courage, right? Okay, very good, my dear children. Okay, do you complete the moral notes, homework and activities? Yes, you all are good kids, right? You all send me a snapshot too. Okay, my dear children, few students send me a snapshot. What about the other students? Comparing to last class, this class more students send me a snapshot. But remaining some students are not sending any snapshot to me. Why? What happened to you? Okay, my dear children, everyone should send me a snapshot, okay? After completing your work, take a snap and don't forget to send me, okay? Okay, shall we start our today's lesson? Are you ready? Yes? Okay, let's start our lesson, my dear children. Today we gonna learn our 9th lesson. Lesson number 9. Our 9th lesson title is The Honest Stranger. The Honest Stranger. What is meant by honest? Honest means being truthful. Being truthful to others. Let me show one picture, my dear children. If we are honest, everyone should respect us. If we show our dishonest means everyone should disrespect us. Okay, my dear children? So, we should be a honest person. Okay, now tell me what is meant by stranger? The person whom one is not familiar to us, that person is called a stranger. The person whom one is not familiar to us, he is called stranger. So, tell me what's the title? The Honest Stranger. Yes, very good. The Honest Stranger. My dear children, before start our lesson, let me show 2 examples related to honest, okay? This is our first example. Look at the conversations between the small boy and the person, okay? The small boy, excuse me sir, but you dropped your wallet back there. Then the person replied, gosh, money and all, thanks. Say that uniform or you the Lone Ranger's pal. Yes, my dear children, this boy shows his honest to this person because this person missed his wallet. But this boy took that wallet and returned to him, right? Yes, this is the example for honest. Yes, my dear children, if we saw some other things, if we saw any things in anywhere, which one is not yours means you should return to the person who is the owner of that things. Okay, my dear children? Okay. Because without honesty, society falls apart. By showing your honest to others, your characters are counts. Okay, my dear children? Yes. Here our second example for honest. Okay, my dear children, this is our second example for honest. Okay, now we all are thinking why this ma'am is showing all the pictures related to honest and showing examples related to honest, right? You all are thinking like that, right? Yes? As my dear children, today we gonna learn about honest. How should be honest to others, okay? So, the moral value today we gonna learn is honesty. The moral value is honesty. Okay, now look at this picture, my dear children. This staff and students conversation. Look at this conversation. Now the staff is asking to her student, Did you leave your homework at home? Did you leave your homework at home? Now tell me, my dear children, if you are here means, you are in this situation means, what will you tell? Surely you will tell, yes ma'am, right? But we should not be like that, okay my dear children? Now look at this girl's reply. This girl is telling, I have to be honest. I didn't finish my homework last night. Yes, my dear children, he told the truth, right? Yes. Like that, we should be honest to our staffs, our parents, our friends, our relatives, our families, everyone. Okay, we should show our honest to others. That means we should show our truthworthy to others. Okay, my dear children. Okay, shall we start our lesson? Now you all know clearly about honest, right? Okay, let's see. Let's see our lesson. My dear good children, all of you turn page number 33 in your moral book. Page number 33. Yes? Now read the title. Yes, The Honest Stranger. The Honest Stranger. Okay, my dear children, now all of you look at the first paragraph and read along with me, my dear children. Okay? An old lady stumbled into the police station of Bonaventure in Montreal. She fell against the young police officer in the hall. Help, officer, help. She gasped, my bag, officer, my bag. The police officer calmed the lady, who was wearing a faded cotton jacket and trousers. Guiding her into his room, he comforted her, it's all right, madam, it's all right, then sliding into his seat behind. Okay, my dear children, look at your book. There is one old lady picture, right? An old lady picture is given in your book, right, my dear children? Yes, this lady, this is an old lady. She stumbled into the police station of Bonaventure in Montreal. Stumbled means to hit your foot against something when you are walking or running and almost fall over. When you are hit your foot against something when you are walking or running and almost fall over. Okay, my dear children? Yes, she stumbled into the police station of Bonaventure in Montreal. She fell against the young police officer in the hall. Now she gasped, help, officer, help. My bag, officer, my bag. Okay, what is meant by gasped? To have difficulty breathing. With difficulty breathing, she said, help, officer, help. My bag, officer, my bag. Now the police officer tried to calm the lady who was wearing a faded cotton jacket and trousers. Yes, my dear children, this old lady wore faded cotton jacket and trousers. Now the police officer guiding her into his room and he comforted her. It's all right, madam, it's all right. Okay? My dear children, now all of you turn page number 34. 34. Yes, there is one picture, right? Yes, same like that, an old lady stumbled to the police station, okay? She gasped, help, officer, helped, okay? This is a situation happened there, okay, my dear children? Yes, this is an old lady and police officer, okay? Now read the next line. Now read the next line, my dear children. The desk, he pulled out a big register and asked, what happened, madam? Did you get robbed? The lady's hand flew to her throat. No, sir, no, she cried. No, I lost it in the park. I am so forgetful. Nervously, she touched the little brooch on her neck. I left it on the bench opposite the monument. I realized this when I was halfway home. I rushed back, but it was gone, officer. Somebody must have taken it. Taken all my money, my keys. The lady clutched at the chair. Officer, the keys. Oh God, the keys. There aren't any honest people in this world anymore. Saying this, She sank back and buried her face in her hands. Yes, my dear children, now police officer took a big register and asked, what happened, madam? Did you get robbed? Robbed means to take something away from somebody, okay? Now the lady replied, no sir, no. Nervously, she touched the little brooch. Brooch means a pin that we are on our dress, okay? She touched the little brooch and told, I left it on the bench opposite the monument. That means she left something on the bench opposite the monument. Monument means statue, okay? Statue. And she realized that when she was halfway home, then she rushed back, but the thing, it was gone. So she was very nervous. She missed all her money, her key. Then she clutched at the chair. Clutched means holding tightly something, okay? Tightly she held the chair and told officer, the keys, oh God, the keys. There aren't any honest people in this world anymore. As my dear children, this old lady missed her thing on the bench opposite the monument. So she was very nervous and she was very sad about that. So she is telling, there is no honest people in this world anymore. Like that she is telling, okay? Now look at the next line and read along with me, my dear children. My dear good children, or you feel boring? Yes? No, right? Is this story is interesting for you? Yes, or you feel interested to hear this story? Yes? Okay, very good, my dear children. Okay, just imagine you are in this situation. If you are losing something, that means if you are losing some of your favorite things, means what will you feel? You also be like this, right? You also feel, oh, I missed that, somebody took that. You also feel like that, okay? Right? Yes, same like that. This old lady was very nervous because she missed her some important things in that place, right? Yes. So now let's see what happened next, okay? Read along with me, my dear children. Page number 35. Read the first line. Oh no, madam, please, protested the young police officer weakly. Now, don't cry. Your bag might have been found by now and deposited here. It happens quite often. Believe me. Yes, my dear children, now the young police officer told to an old lady, madam, please don't cry. Your bag might have been found by now and deposited here, because so many lost things are submitted in police station, right? So he is telling, your bag might have been found by now. Maybe your bag is found by now and deposited here. It happens quite often, believe me. Now read the next line. The lady lifted her head. Do you think so? She whispered. Do you think someone may have brought it here? Oh, officer, it's an old shopping bag with a big brass buckle. My purse is inside it and it holds all that's left to see me through this month and a picture of my husband, Pierre. If he was alive, her voice broke. Now an old lady lifted her head and asked, do you think so? Do you think someone may brought it here? Like that, old lady asked. Oh, officer, it's an old shopping bag. Yes, my dear children, she lost an old shopping bag with big brass buckle. Buckle means metal. Okay, a piece of metal at the end of belt or strap. Okay, and she lost her purse inside in that shopping bag. The purse holds all that left to see her through that month. A picture of her husband, Pierre. Now she was crying. Her voice broke. Again the police officer asked, now look at the third paragraph. Is that all there is in the bag, madam? Asked the police officer quietly. Just your purse. The police officer asked, is all that there is in the bag, madam? Just your purse. Like that? He's asking a question. Now the lady replied, no, officer. Replied the lady, dapping her eyes. My shopping also. I had bought myself some plain bread and quarter-pound of cheese from a sale. You see, I saved a little money. Now the lady replied, no, officer, by dapping her eyes. Dapping means touch something lightly, usually several times. That means she is touching her eyes and replied, no, officer, my shopping also. That means her shopping means some plain bread and quarter-pound of cheese from a sale. Okay, do you understand? Okay, now read the next line. Now, look at the next line and read along with me, my dear children. Just a moment, madam. Let me check with our lost property department. I'll be back in a minute. The old lady waited patiently, her hands folded on her lap, her lips moving in silent prayer. Madam, called out the police officer. The lady looked up. The police officer was holding up a big bag. Now the police officer told, just a moment, madam, let me check with our lost property department. Yes, in police station there is a lost property department. He told, let me check there and he will be back in a minute. Now the old lady waited patiently, her hands folded on her lap, right? Her lips moving in silent prayer. Now the police officer went to check is her bag is there or not. Then the old lady, then finally the officer came and called called the police officer, okay. The lady looked up. The police officer was holding a big bag. Yes, he came back with a big bag. Okay, my dear children, now look at the screen and tell me, do you remember this? Did you see this anywhere? Can you remember? Yes, you saw this in our school, right? Yes, my dear children, this was lost and found section kept in our school, okay? If you saw any things in our ground or in your classroom that are not yours, means you should take that time, you should keep there, okay? Okay, same like that, if you saw anything in public place, you should submit that in police custody, okay? You should give that in police station, okay, my dear children? Okay, now see what's happened next. Okay, my dear children, now turn page number 36 and read. Bag with a bright brass buckle, she jumped to her feet. My dear sir, my bag. My bag, you have got it. Yes, yes, it is my bag. Thank God, thank God. With trembling fingers, she took the bag and opened it. My keys. She cried softly, the money, it's all here. Tears shone in her dull eyes. Thank God, and look, here's the cheese and the bread, and her voice trailed off. She stuttered inside the bag aghast. Then she pushed it away from her and said tonelessly, Officer, this is my bag, yes, but the shopping inside is in mine, the butter, the oranges and grapes and chocolates. No, officer, they are in mine. They are, madam, replied the young man with a reassuring smile. They are. The note inside the bag says so. Look at what it says. Please accept these few things as a small compensation for the great shock of losing your bag. The police officer smiled once more. See, madam, there are honest and kind people in this world. Okay. Now, an old lady got her bag. So, she was very happy. She jumped to her feet, right? Yes. She told thanks to God with trembling fingers. Then, now she took the bag and opened it. She saw there is her keys and her monies and her bread and cheese. Again, she started inside the bag aghast. Aghast means filled with horror and surprise when you see that. That means surprise things are there, right? So then she pushed it away from her and said tonelessly, slowly she said, Officer, this is my bag. Yes, but the shopping inside is in mine. She told, this is her bag, but shopping inside that bag is not her. Because she shopped some pound of cheese and bread. Plain bread and cheese, right? Yes. Now she saw some oranges, grapes and chocolates, butter are there. So she told officer, this is not mine. Then the officer replied, yes ma'am, reassuring smile. The note inside the bag says no, look at this. Yes. So the officer told, there is one note inside your bag. Please look at that. Then she took that note, the small paper, and she read, please accept these few things as a small compensation for the great shock of losing your bags. Yes, now she was very happy. Her face was very brightened because the words given in that or please accept these few things as a compensation, small compensation for the great shock of losing your bags. Now the officer replied, see madam, there are honest and kind people in this world. Yes, my dear children, do you understand the story? Yes, the old lady lost her bag on the bench opposite to the monuments, right? So she was shocked and she was nervous, right? She went to police station and gave complaint about that. The police officer checked in the lost and found department and finally she got her bag, right? She got her bag with some few things added in it, right? Some extra things are added in it. Yes, there is a honest people with kind hearted, right? My dear children, this is an inspiration story given to you how to be honest. Okay, my dear children. So don't forget this story. Always keep in your mind. Okay, my dear children, you should be honest in all situation. Okay, my dear children, whatever the situation may be, you should be honest. If you saw anything, it's not your means, you should give that things to police custody, or else if you saw anything in your school means you should keep that in lost and found section. Okay, my dear children, hope you all understood well and you all enjoyed it, right? Okay, my dear children, do you like the story? Yes? Okay, now tell me, what's the title we learned today? Yes, The Honest Stranger. Yes. Do you understand that meaning for that title? Yes, the stranger who is not familiar to the old lady, right? He is the stranger. He was very honest person, right? Okay, the moral value we learned today is honesty. Hope you all understood. Yes, my dear children. Okay, today let's wind up our class till we meet in our class. Be safe, stay home. Thank you. Have a nice day.